Hey, Wooby. It feels like a good time to tell you how thankful I am for you.
Oh, I'm thankful for you too, Fotty.
You know what else I'm thankful for? Cheese. I love cheese! But you know what else I'm thankful for? I'm thankful for pets, 'cause they give me kisses. I'm thankful for dandelions that help me make wishes.
And I'm thankful for bikes I can ride with one hand. I'm thankful for beaches and all of their sand.
I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. But most of all, Wooby, I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for trees I can hide and then seek. I'm thankful for duckies and the quacks from their beaks.
I'm thankful for swings. I go high to the sky. I'm thankful for birds and how fast they can fly. I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. Most of all, Fotty, I'm thankful for you.
I'm thankful for ice cream and trucks and trains too. I'm thankful for zebras that I see at the zoo.
I'm thankful for flamingos. They're pink and they're fun. I'm thankful for days I can draw in the sun.
I'm thankful for family and all my friends too. But most of all, buddy, I'm thankful for you.